With me now is Capital Network's Riccardo Lowi. Riccardo, good morning.
Hi Andrew, good morning.
Don't forget, for Riccardo's full report, click on the eye in the top right-hand corner of your screen. We're talking OptiBiotix Health, Riccardo. They're in the business of microbiomes. Tell me a bit more.
Sure. OptiBiotix focuses on the prevention and treatment of common medical conditions such as obesity and high cholesterol through the modulation of the human microbiome. As a background, with microbiome, we refer to the trillions of bacteria colonizing our skin and gut. And to put this into some perspective, in normal physiological conditions, our body contains 10 times more bacterial cells than own human cells. And back to OptiBiotix, it's now a very interesting time to look at this stock, as the company is rapidly transitioning from the product development to the commercial stage through a growing number of business-to-business deals. Importantly, we'd like to note that OptiBiotix commercial push is currently directed towards the rapidly growing consumer health market that, of course, presents much lower barriers than the market for pharmaceutical products.
Well, tell me a bit more about that, Riccardo. How big's the market they're addressing, and what more can you say about their commercial strategy?
So new applications for products targeting the microbiome are being discovered every day, and so OptiBiotix addresses a market rapidly growing at double-digit rates. The company is pursuing a commercial strategy based on deals across multiple levels of the value chain, so starting from manufacturing agreements to deals for the supply of white label or branded products, up to distribution agreements directly with retailers. Every agreement will be different, but we estimate that a typical commercial deal would generate annual revenue in the 250,000 to 500,000 range. And we also note that larger deals of multi-million magnitudes are certainly within the company's current reach.
So a decent pipeline and a rapidly growing market here. What's unique about them?
So first, although it's certainly true that the modulation of the microbiome is attracting the interest of many companies and investors, OptiBiotix appears to be quite unique in its focus on solving specific health problems rather than general well-being. Secondly, unlike many other microbiome companies, they target the consumer health market rather than the pharmaceutical one in this initial commercial push. And third, their products are all underpinned by strong scientific rationale and have been tested in independent clinical studies.
Very good. In terms of the numbers, how much cash have they got, Riccardo? What's their cash burn like as well?
So we estimate that each deal may generate between £250,000 and £500,000 in annual revenues, and OptiBiotix's rich pipeline is likely to translate into turnover growth of over 1 million in the next few quarters. The company had almost 2 million in cash at the end of May, and based on a cash burn of approximately £90,000 a month, we expect OptiBiotix to be self-funded well into 2018. And that is without counting on any incremental income from the deals they have signed in the past few months, as the recent profit-sharing agreement with Niton Foods announced just yesterday.
That's great, Riccardo. Thanks very much. For Riccardo's full report, click on the eye in the top right-hand corner of your screen.